Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, your ultimate guide to making better purchasing decisions. Today, we have an epic drone showdown between the Holystone HS440 foldable FPV drone, or let's call it Holystone, and the Techwonderz drone with camera, affectionately known as Techwonderz. So buckle up because things are about to get airborne. First up, let's talk about the cameras. Holystone sports a 1080p HD camera that can adjust within 90 degrees. Reviewers love the decent camera quality that streams directly to your phone, making it great for beginners. Meanwhile, Techwonderz also brings a 1080p HD dual camera to the table, with a front camera that rotates 90 degrees and a 50x zoom. According to reviews, its image quality is fantastic and makes capturing distant objects a breeze. Both are impressive, but Techwonderz wins this round with its extra zoom and dual camera setup. Now, let's talk airtime. Holystone gives you a solid 20 minutes of flight time, which reviewers find adequate for short, fun sessions. But wait, Techwonderz says, "Hold my propellers," and offers a whopping 50 minutes. Many users appreciate this extended flight time, allowing for longer aerial adventures. If you want to fly longer, Techwonderz is your wingman. Next category, user experience. Holystone offers automatic takeoff, precise hovering, and one-key high-speed rotation for some mid-air twirling fun. It's like having a drone that can do ballet. Reviewers find it easy to learn and fun to fly. Techwonderz, on the other hand, has optical flow positioning and altitude hold mode. It's so precise, it could probably balance a cup of coffee while flying. Plus, it has one-key takeoff, landing, and emergency stop. According to reviews, it's perfect for beginners. If you're new to drones, Techwonderz is like the drone equivalent of training wheels. Let's not forget safety features. Holystone has emergency stop and headless mode. Pretty standard, but useful. Reviewers appreciate these features, especially when learning to fly. But Techwonderz? Oh boy, it's got 360 degrees obstacle avoidance. This drone is like a ninja, dodging everything in its path. Users love how it navigates through obstacles effortlessly. Sorry, Holystone, but Techwonderz takes this round too. Finally, let's talk fun features. Holystone offers endless possibilities with its user-friendly interface and intelligent features, making it a joy to fly for many reviewers. But Techwonderz is like the circus of drones. It can do 360 degrees flips and rolls, follow you around, and even recognize gestures for taking photos. Imagine a drone that takes selfies better than your best friend. Reviewers rave about these fun extras, making Techwonderz the life of the drone party. Overall, the Holystone HS440 is praised for its ease of use, durability, and decent camera, making it a great choice for beginners. However, the Techwonderz drone with camera stands out with its versatile camera setup, extended flight time, and advanced safety features, garnering high praise for being both beginner-friendly and packed with fun extras. That's all for today's showdown, smart shoppers. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep flying high and always buy smart. See you